Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just give it a tune-up, replacing the gasket of the machine and the shower screen, also the deep clean, the portafilter, the portafilter as well, and the group head of the machine, descaling the machine, running a bunch of descale through the boiler, through here, and give it a good clean around it. So that's just what we did. So starting with the steam, we're going to test the machine out. The machine is already, as you can see, at full pressure, so we can kind of see the steam coming out of the one. As you can see, a nice powerful steam coming out to the receiver. This is perfectly fine. Nice pressure, excellent temperature as well. That's in a way to put it. Nice pressure right there. Alright, so let me just cool it down and get the boiler ready for our espresso shot. Good enough. Alright, perfect. And now we can do our espresso shot. We're using a bottomless filter basket, so it's a bit harder to get a perfect shot. So hopefully I tamper correctly and I'm using the correct grind size for this machine. As you can see, it's leaking. I did not tighten it all the way through, so let's redo that again.
So this one where you're...
Alright, let's try that again. Now the portafilter is in more tight position and is not going to leak. Over there is a previous shot. Let's see how that new shot comes out. While it was a bit fast, we still got a good amount of crema coming out of the machine. Look at that. Nice, beautiful shot of espresso. Shower screen for this machine is working perfectly fine, as you can see. Nice shower coming out through the group head. Working excellent. So there you have it, Rancilio Silvia, doing up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.